Over the next couple of months, there'll be plenty of family get-togethers, holiday bashes, and of course, lots of edible gift giving. With that in mind, we came up with a little something that's a must-have for the season. They're what we call Java nuts, and boy, are they good. To make them, we begin by mixing together some cinnamon, salt, and sugar. We'll set it aside, and in another bowl, beat together an egg white with some instant espresso powder until it's completely dissolved. And if you're wondering what espresso powder is, just think of it as a really strong instant coffee. You can find it right along with all the other coffee stuff in the market. Now we toss some walnut halves into the egg mixture before sprinkling on our cinnamon sugar. These get baked on a cookie sheet just long enough for the coating to set. After they're cooled, we loosen them from the tray and they're ready to nibble on. Let me tell you, these are addictive. Maybe make up a few bags of them as the perfect holiday gift. To get the easy recipe for our Java nuts, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a tasty, nutty way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.